Hello, friends! Welcome back to our channel.
Today we will learn English conversation in a cafe.
This is a beginner-level lesson.
So watch till the end and practice with us. Let's start.
This is going to be fun.
I know, right?
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. Welcome to our cafe. Good evening.
Good evening.
How many people? Just the two of us. Please come this way. Please sit here.
Thank you.
This place is really nice.
Yes, I like the atmosphere. It is very calm and quiet.
Yes,
And the lighting is also very good.
the chairs are comfortable. Excuse me, we want a menu card. Sure.
Here are your menus. Thank you. Let's check the menu. I am very hungry.
Wow, there are so many items.
Yes, I don't know what to choose.
Same here. Look at this pizza section.
Yes, there are many types of pizza.
Cheese pizza, veg pizza, paneer pizza.
All look delicious.
But pizza is a little heavy.
Yes, you are right.
What about burgers?
I like burgers,
Me too.
but sometimes they are oily.
Yes, that's true.
I am still confused.
Take your time. What will you drink?
I am thinking about coffee.
Hot coffee or cold coffee?
Maybe cold coffee.
Nice.
What about you?
I love hot coffee.
You always drink coffee.
Yes, I like it very much.
Okay, let's decide now.
Yes, I will take a grilled sandwich and a hot coffee.
And I will take a burger and a cold coffee.
Good choice.
Excuse me. Yes, sir. We are ready to order. Please tell me your order.
I would like one grilled sandwich and one hot coffee.
And I would like one burger and one cold coffee. Anything else? Your order will be ready soon.
I am very hungry now.
Same here.
How often do you eat outside?
Not very often.
Do you like fast food?
Yes, sometimes.
But home food is better.
Yes, always better.
Do you cook?
Yes, a little.
That's nice. Here is your order.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, this sandwich looks amazing.
Yes, this burger looks big.
I am excited to eat.
Me too.
It tastes really good.
Yes, very tasty.
The bread is so soft and fresh.
And the filling is very tasty.
I really like the flavor.
Yes, it is perfectly cooked.
This is one of the best sandwiches I've ever had.
Same here. This burger's really good.
I'm glad we came here.
Yes, it was a great decision.
Do you often eat outside?
Not really, only sometimes. Same here.
I prefer home food.
Yes, home food is always healthier.
But sometimes we need a break from home food.
Yes, and today is that day.
Exactly. I really enjoy spending time like this.
Me too. It feels very relaxing.
No stress, just good food and good company.
Yes, simple moments are the best.
Ah, this coffee is so good.
Cold coffee is also very refreshing. Perfect after eating.
Do you like trying new places?
Yes, I do. It's always exciting.
I love exploring new cafes.
We should try more places together.
Yes, that sounds fun. Do you want dessert?
Maybe next time.
Excuse me?
Yes, sir. Can we have the bill, please?
Sure.
Here is your bill. Thank you.
I'll pay today.
No, let me pay.
No, it's okay. Let's share.
Okay. Thank you for the service. You're welcome.
The food was really good.
Yes, we had a great time.
Let's come again.
Sure.
Today was really nice.
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot.
Good food, good time.
Perfect day. Can you speak this conversation without looking at the screen?
Try it now and comment done below. Before you go, try this conversation with your friend today.
And tell us in the comments. How was your experience?
We will see you in the next video. Bye!